Tutorial: Set password, save and distribute the newly created activity file. This tutorial demonstrates how to set a password and how to save and distribute an activity. Set a password to prevent unauthorized users from modifying an activity. Click Enable Password to apply the change. Enter your password and then type it a second time to confirm it. Then click the Enable Password button. Save the activity by clicking on this button. Exit the Activity Wizard by clicking Exit and following the prompts. This activity is now ready for distribution. The same file used for editing is also used for distribution. A password protects the file from alteration. Users can also save a current activity without affecting the authoring environment. To have a clean activity for future distribution, click Reset Activity. To edit this activity, click on the Activity Wizard password. Since this activity was previously protected by a password, you need to enter the password to access the Activity Wizard. This ends the Set Password, Save and Distribute the Newly Created Activity File tutorial.